Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of rocket launching. Rocket launching is the process of propelling a rocket from Earth's surface into space. It's a complex and awe-inspiring process, involving multiple stages, engines, and fuel systems. The launch process begins with the rocket being secured on the launch pad, followed by fueling and engine ignition. As the rocket ascends, it experiences various stages of flight, eventually reaching orbit or space. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the wonders of rocket launching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space-related content. Until next time, keep exploring.